For my ADK Hackathon entry, I'm going to showcase the marketing campaign generator, which uses 6 different agents in order to generate pieces of content for small businesses. So let's start with agent number 1. This is the orchestrator, and its job is to go ahead and take this brief from a small business owner and do research. So my buddy, he owns a tent and event business, and he has a great website, and he'll constantly say things like, I want to sell tents to colleges this fall, or I want to sell fireworks this summer. And while that's great, that's not really enough information for an AI to generate a full campaign. So the first thing we need to do is do some research. Who is this business? What are its values? What is like the kind of purpose of its goal? Like, what do colleges value? Who goes to college? And get a lot of data. The next thing that we're going to have to do is feed that to a second agent. And that agent's job is to kind of synthesize this data into a one-page report that we could really use and kind of focus in on that campaign that we might be working on. The third agent here, his job is to kind of take all of this factual data and make it fun. What is the business owner actually going to do about it? So he wants to sell more tents. What are some ideas we can pitch him? And that third agent is actually going to use Grok in order to make an API call and take this one-page brief that agent 2 generated in order to generate 2 more campaigns for us to choose from. And as you can see here, it takes a little bit to process, but as it finishes up, what you're going to see is 2 distinct campaigns that a business owner can choose from. After that generates, the business owner can kind of review these campaigns, which are grounded in that initial data as well as Grok's creative mind, and it can go ahead and generate images. This requires a fourth agent that specializes in taking campaigns and bringing them to life. Kind of like you would see in an Instagram post or an advertisement. So as the business owner reviews, he can go ahead and select either of these campaigns, and he's going to get 2 images off of that tailored to that campaign. Now, the final piece of a puzzle is the business owner now can select a visual concept that he likes. And once he selects it, all of this data we've done from the first 4 agents is going to be run to 2 last agents. And the job of these last 2 agents is to generate a video. And you can see I did this earlier because videos take a little bit longer for a firework campaign. And what you can see here is that the first agent's job is to use VO2 best practices to generate that video, things like quick cuts and audio practices, as well as the data that we've gotten from the user giving us feedback, as well as from our background research. And all of that's going to culminate into a beautiful 5-second video, which you can download right from the site. So if you're interested in trying out this tool for yourself, visit adkchl.web.app, where this is running live today, and go ahead and make some content for your friends or your small business.